What's up, what's up, what's up? Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you've been here before, I appreciate you tuning in. My name is Genise, in case you didn't know. Today is March 2nd. I believe it's Wednesday. It is Wednesday, my dudes. I don't know if any of you guys have seen my last vlog, this one right here. But if you did, you'll know that I went a couple of weeks ago with the kids to a mommy and me play group. I've been looking for times to take them back for another little go at making some friends for the kids and for mommy. And I think today is going to be the day. Right now it's 9 o'clock in the morning. Both kids are sleeping and I am trying to take advantage and do some things around the house and off of my to-do list today. So being that I'm trying to dive into home management or household management here on this channel, I have really been trying to take ownership of my time. I have been planning out my weeks and then planning out my days every morning after I wake up. It's part of it's becoming part of my morning ritual. So this is what my daily planner looks like for me. This is a clean one. Just have the day, the date, if I have any appointments, or like today the mommy group scheduled at a specific time, any notes that I just want to kind of remind myself about throughout the day or at the end of the day, because I do go over it again at nighttime to see what I got done and to see what needs to get moved around. I have the main goal or focus for the day, like what I want to really give a lot of attention to. Then I have my top 3. These are usually the big 3 things that'll get me, to really focus on this goal. Then all the other smaller tasks that really don't take as much time, and they're just little things that need to get done. If there's something that I specifically want to remember for the next day. And then gratitude. I like to start with gratitude, like to end with gratitude, just to keep me in a positive mindset and to remind me that I am actually a very lucky woman. And this daily planner is actually something that I created myself, because I find that a lot of daily planners, they just make things a little too difficult, a little too busy. And I feel like this is just what I really want to focus on. And I've been using it for the past few days, as you can see here. The next thing I want to create is actually a weekly version of this, because right now I am just kind of, writing it down that way. So for today, this is what the planner, the agenda, the schedule is looking like. I feel like doing this, I've gotten a lot more done during the day. So one of my top 3 things that I wanted to do today is schedule some Instagram posts for our print-on-demand t-shirt shop, which also means that I have to create some mock-ups for that t-shirt shop. So that's what I'm gonna do now while I'm in the kitchen. I'm just gonna bring my laptop in here, because if I go in the living room, this is what's happening in the living room right now. And Annie is currently still upstairs sleeping. I'm gonna take advantage and try to get some of this work done. And time is up. I'm right here. Hi. Okay. He's the worst sleeper. Any tips for a 2-year-old who is just horribly clingy while he sleeps? Leave them in the comments. We need them. Okay, so I put in maybe an hour and a half worth of work. I made the mock-ups for my new designs for the t-shirt shop, and I am up to next Monday the 7th with my scheduling of both the Facebook and Instagram posts for the t-shirt shop. I'll probably continue on with this after breakfast, but right now both kids are up and they're hungry. 12:13. I'm gonna start prepping everything to get these kids out of the door. We're gonna meet up with other moms and kids. We're supposed to meet up at 2. Anyone who has a child or 2 children or 3 children, God bless you. You know how difficult it is to get out of the house, because as you're getting one dressed, you call the other one to come and they start deciding to run in the opposite direction. So you know the stress that comes with trying to get kids ready to go out. So I have to get an early start, but I did want to check in with you guys and let you see how I am doing so far with my plans. So laundry is pretty much a check. I've just put in the last load in the washing machine. Started gathering my grocery list. So I'm gonna go and give that like a half. Schedule Instagram posts, I've started. Edit vlog, I have not. Doctor's appointments for March, I haven't looked. We're going to this. And she's yet to do this. So when we come back from the park, she's gonna have to do this. Or actually before we go, because I wanted to drop it off in the mailbox on the way out of the community. So yeah, that is how we're faring so far. And I'm grateful that I have the planner to kind of keep me on track. Having it all written out in front of me really sets priorities for me for the day, and that has been a very good thing. You want to go to the park? You want to go? Go! Okay, well you gotta go finish eating. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Go, 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 go! We made it to Dobbins Park. It was about maybe 12-minute drive, 13-minute drive. Looks like a cool park. I see a playground. I'm looking for all the mothers. I see some mothers and kids. I'm wondering if that's part of my group or not, but yeah, here we go. Whee! I got you. I'm gonna drop you. Whee! Careful. So I don't know if I missed the mothers or whatever, or maybe they came early or something, but didn't see any of them from the group here today. I'm gonna have to check online later. And there was the book bus, so both the kids got a book each. So Corey got Paw Patrol, a Paw Patrol book, and Annie got a weird bilingual book. I don't know. We've been here for about an hour now, like 40 minutes. It's a nice park, and we're really enjoying these little swing sliding thingamajigs. But it's really hot. I'm sweating. Also, can we just appreciate these sunglasses? They go over my regular glasses. Beautiful. Been looking for something like this for years. Walmart. Hi, Annie. Woohoo! She finally got the hang of it. This little guy has no upper body strength. He can't hold on. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. Let you down. It's 7:27. I just finished cooking dinner, and what we're having is some yellow rice with vegetables, yum, and some pork chops. Hoping to be done eating, have Annie done eating, and have the kitchen all cleaned up and closed up for the night by 8 o'clock.
That way I can run upstairs and try to get maybe an hour and a half of some kind of work on my little side hustles done.
Hey guys, so it's 10:34. I realized I didn't come on here and update you guys on how the work was going. I wanted to be done by 10 o'clock, but I'm so close to finishing up with just editing the whole vlog that I'm just kind of pushing through it. And I'm hoping to be up out of this seat in the next 10 minutes. This is what we're looking like now on the daily planner. So I did get a couple other things done. So this is what we're looking like now. I did get a couple of things done on there. I'm gonna go do my reading after I shower. And yeah, I actually cleaned one of the bathrooms too, so that's pretty good. If you made it to this part of the vlog, comment down below we're in this together so I can know that you actually made it here. If you did, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe now for more videos like this one. And in the meantime, you can check out these two videos right here. I'll see you guys in the next one.